Now the news in details. Vice President Yemi Osinbajo has admonished the banking and finance sector to take more transformative projects such as housing and renewable energy, among others, in ways that significantly impact job creation and poverty reduction. According to SAN, Professor Osinbajo stated this today in Abuja at the opening section of the 14th Annual Banking and Finance Conference themed Economic Recovery, Inclusion and Transformation, the role of banking and finance. Challenging the banking sector and participating in the federal government mass housing program, the Professor Osinbajo noted that the finance sector appears shy or simply has not found the right housing finance model that will work. President Muhammadu Buhari had earlier declared the conference opened, and his Rwandan counterpart, Paul Kagame, also delivered the keynote address where he noted that COVID-19 pandemic has affected every sector of the economy, urged bankers to embrace financial inclusion. Earlier, the president and chairman of Council, the Chartered Institute of Bankers of Nigeria, Dr. Bayo Olugbemi said, the conference is a platform for stakeholders in the banking and finance ecosystem to share experiences and exchange insightful ideas on contemporary issues affecting the sector and the economy in general.
To be fair, over the years, the banking and finance industry in Nigeria has supported national economic development in so many ways. It has provided good-paying jobs to a large number of Nigerians and contributed to growth in economic activities through path-breaking innovations. And as we've heard from the President and also from the CBN government, several innovative interventions that have greatly helped in ensuring that we're able to sustain some of the progress that's been made through the years.
Also presents an opportunity for Africa's banks to play a leading role in making our societies more resilient and more responsive to the needs of our people. Whatever affects business affects banking. Financial services are the engine of private sector development. Banks are crucial for allocating the capital wisely and productively. Indeed, Africa has the resources to fund its own economic growth and reduce dependency on external resources.
The conference concept, agenda, and purpose. Esteemed audience, you will recall that several initiatives have been implemented by the current administration via its various agencies, including the Central Bank of Nigeria, over the past years to guide the economy back on course on the path of recovery. Year on year, we have gone from a contraction of 6% in GDP growth in the second quarter of 2020 to a 5% growth in the second quarter of 2021.
In his remarks, Central Bank of Nigeria Governor Godwin Emefiele disclosed that Nigeria is set to join a very small elite group of countries operating an international financial hub. Emefiele revealed that, and I quote, the NIFC will act as an international gateway for capital and investment driven by technology and payment system infrastructure.
With continued improvements in the economy, I am optimistic that by the end of the year, our economy will not only close the output gap brought about by the 2020 recession, but that we would end the year with an annual GDP growth rate of between 2.5% to 3%, up from a negative 1.92% in 2020. Notwithstanding the positive news of Your Excellency, I would admit that growth remains fragile. We are not out of the woods yet, given the challenges in combating COVID-19 pandemic, and would therefore urge all stakeholders to remain vigilant to prevent the resurgence of the virus. The implementation of our various interventions need to be